Tell me about your hair. You got a lot of it.
I've got a lot. And I love it.
I do too.
And I, for years, had it like long all the way down to my waist and just kind of like one
Blunt cut
layer,
right across.
you know?
Yeah.
And so the guy I've been going to, I told him I wanted it a little bit, you know, I've been kind of keeping a little bit shorter, you know, like mid-back.
Okay.
And then I told him, because I started following you like, I don't know, a year ago or whatever. And so I was like, I felt like this was just being like weighed down and then it would like poof up out here. And I'm like, it wasn't working for me anymore. And I'm like, I needed something. So I told them that I wanted some kind of like some layers or something so this could kind of poof up a little bit here.
Yeah.
Because it just seemed to be so like, just too like, I don't know.
Flat,
yeah. And I didn't like it. And so
I feel like that's happened.
So
I mean, you have some shape.
it seems like it's just here. So I think I just want more, I want more layers in the back.
Yeah,
So
what makes you
like-
say you want more layers? Are you looking for more shape?
Because I want more shape.
So you want your hair bigger.
Yeah.
You have what I'm pretty sure is a very, very different curl pattern growing out from the very bottom of your hair there.
Uh-huh.
So that is always going to be longer,
Okay.
technically, than all the curly stuff. So the way that you're going to get away from that is by kind of customizing that, right? So we're going to need to kind of take those straighter pieces up more, just enough to where they're stashed underneath the rest of your curls, just to get like a more uniform view. There's nothing wrong with having texture like that.
Yeah.
But it's, you know, there's things that I can do. I am going to need to move you up a bit, to get that done.
Mm-hmm.
That'll help. And then as far as shape goes, I think, yeah, you got a lot of room to play with.
I just feel like it goes out like this and
it does.
And I don't I don't mind it being out here, but if it's going to be out, I feel like it needs to be more fuller here.
Yeah.
To me.
Couldn't agree more.
For what I'm like, this is all fine, but I need it like kind of up here, like in. I just because otherwise I just feel like it just kind of comes out and.
Well, it doesn't just come out. It's long and it's heavy, so it drops right down into your shoulder, and then it drops straight down from there. So you're right on needing layers, but I'm going to be concentrating more on like just kind of creating that shape. I would love to be able to see just the very outside of your shoulder there. So ideally this comes up and this comes in, and this will kind of come across here. So you'll have much more of a shape.
Okay.
Yeah, and then the face framing, I know you want to be able to put it up in a ponytail. You'll still be able to, but a couple pieces will most likely fall out. But I think it'll be pretty like that.
Totally fine with it.
All right. Aside from the shape of it, are you struggling with your hair at all? You sleep with it wet?
No.
Straightening it?
No.
Awesome. No blow dries, flat irons, nothing?
No.
Any straight up oils in your hair?
No.
Good. Cool.
So I
You're
don't
easy.
do that. I just use one product that I use to like kind of style it so it's not so
What's that product?
frizzy. Miss
Jessie's, yep. Decent stuff.
Multicultural.
I like that whole brand.
That one.
Yeah.
Is it, cause I know
Yeah, that
I've
brand's
seen
good.
some stuff and you talk about like the build up and stuff like that.
You're a minimalist, which is great. That's going to help you out a lot. And that product is fine. I have my favorites, which we're going to show you today. I don't carry, Miss Jessie's, I carry InnerSense. It is the top.
I can't find a shampoo and conditioner that I like. Like right now,
I got you.
I bought like a Nexus something and I just
don't
feel like
do that.
I wash it and I just feel like there's wax in my hair.
Yeah, I'm sure it's building
And
up on
I'm
you.
like, well, I mean, I only wash my hair like once a week. I wash it on the weekends.
If there's something getting left behind from a shampoo and or a conditioner, it's gonna build up on you. So you need something that's very, very easily rinsed and doesn't have, I like InnerSense for what's not in the bottle. It isn't magic, but what's not in it is what leaves your hair healthy. I wanted to move you up. Where would you be mad at me?
I mean, I don't.
I mean, you looked great when you came in, but
I didn't think so. I mean, I get compliments all the time.
I'm
You know,
sure.
don't get me wrong, but it's not what have been looking for. So,
is this?
yes.
Cool.
Much more blended, you know, yeah.
You got its shape on it. So now this is going to be my favorite part. See your shoulders.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Still got that length, but we just reel it in. You can have length, you can have shape and everything, but I like it when you can at least see the difference. Because as soon as you hide that,
Yeah, it
the
seems
visual
like
is just
it's
you're
way
all
out
one
here.
piece.
Yeah,
And
I
as
just
soon
feel
as you
like
have it-
everything's down here at the
Yeah.
bottom like a big block.
Right. And when you have a shoulder here, all of a sudden it's like, oh, body,
Yes.
face, head,
Okay,
hair.
yes.
Yeah, kind of like, just makes you more
Yeah.
human, I guess. Jackie is gonna get you in the bowl, she's gonna get you washed out, she's gonna show you what we do. Show her the pure shampoo, but the color conditioner. And then we're gonna go really, really simple on the product for you, because you're used to only using one product, correct?
Yeah, it's Miss Jessie's.
That's the brand.
That's the brand.
Okay.
And the one that I use is the multicultural curls.
I want this to look like there's some product in it, and then I can shake it out.
Oh, you helped
You brought
so much.